Good day everybody, welcome to Red Olive Design. Today we are going to insert the heavy duty press studs starting with the 12.5 millimeter. So the size is based on the cap diameter. These two parts go together and these two parts go together. We are going to use the 11-piece setter set. This is what's included. There's 2 anvils. This is double-sided. We also use this side sometimes. And then 3 tool sets with an extra one to insert the heavy duty one, and then 2 hole punches to punch the holes like that before you insert the press stud. So I've already punched the holes. Please use a polyprop board to save your blades. This goes halfway into the board, so it doesn't make the blade, doesn't cause the blade to be blunt, to get blunt, and it doesn't damage it either. Okay, we use a mallet to also save the tools on this side. If you use metal on metal, it will flour, so we use a mallet. All right, so I've punched the holes already. Then we're going to, so you want your cap on the right side of the leather, so it'll look like that at the end of the day. All right, we're going to use the anvil. You can just see which dome will fit your cap size. That one will be too small, so if you use that one, it will damage the cap, and there it will move around a bit too much. So this one is perfect. All right, put it face down, make sure it's seated properly. Then this little dome will go over the barrel like that. Okay, and we're going to use the unmarked one. Okay, so this one. You can also use one of these two. See how it goes. So this little tip there must just fit into that barrel. Okay, not too small and not too big. You don't want to damage it. Okay, so that's too big. That one is also too big. So this one would probably work. Okay, so we're going to try that one. It's a green one. All right. Okay, don't know if you can see. Can you see that? I've put it inside the barrel there. It's seated properly. Taking my mallet. Okay, so there you go. All right. So you can see inside there it just seats it nice and properly. Okay, and it doesn't move. Right, now we're going to use, I use this side. So now you must remember your press stud is going to close like that. All right, so it will be this part that you need on the inside. Okay, so this little one, the one with the barrel, you'll put in on the right side of the leather, so it will look like that. Flip it over. So I just put it there because it's nice and flat. And you do exactly the same. All right, so let's see if we use the bigger one. What's my bigger one? Okay, I'm going to use the red one, slightly bigger. Okay, so you put that little tip into the barrel, the opening of that barrel. All right, you take your mallet. Okay, it doesn't move. There you go. Let's see if it works. Ta-da! Okay, so everything we've used here today is available on our website. So the tool set, that's included in the tool set. So these are for the 3 hat and donut type press studs. Let me just show you what they look like. Like this, and we call it hat and donut. It is not a universal name, it's a red olive name, so other people will probably not understand what you ask for if you say to them you're looking for a hat and donut type press stud. They usually have codes, but we call it a hat and donut because it looks like a top hat and a donut. So that's, we also can insert with this tool set. So you get the 15 millimeter. Again, its size is measured according to the cap size, cap diameter. So you get a 10 mil, a 12 mil, and a 15 mil cap diameter. And then you will see which one to use. So it would either be the green set, the red set, or the blue set. And that will be in a next video. Thank you for watching.